They've seen the records.
Hey everybody, welcome back. It's your personal injury lawyer, and I'm Willie Bosch. It's Tony here in New York and New Jersey. And what I do, or what my law firm does, is personal injury, and that's relating to slip and fall. We call that premise liability, and automobile accidents. Uh, and I started my channel just to educate people out there about all the steps you need to take whenever you're involved in an accident to be able to best protect your case, and that way you don't get screwed over. So today what I'm going to try to talk about is something that's very simple. Everybody knows about it. Most people don't even think about it twice. It's second nature. And that's your police report. Why is it important? Why do you need a police report? Why do you need to make sure that one's made out whenever you're involved in an accident? Whether you're driving a motor vehicle, um, you're riding a bicycle and somebody hits you, or you're just a pedestrian and then somebody knocks you down. Well, you need a police report. Why? Because the first thing when you submit a claim, the first thing the insurance company is going to try to look at is the police report. What can they find out in the police report? What was the location? What did the officers say? Did they say that you at fault? Because guess what? If the officers say you at fault, why do they need to cover it? Um, Good thing with that is in New York uh, and New Jersey is no fault state, so it doesn't really matter as far as whether you're the one who caused the accident. They're still gonna pay for your treatment because that's the contract. It says they don't look at fault to determine what treatments you receive. So as soon as you submit your claim, they have to pay for it. However, what if your injuries are greater than, or you suffer more where you need a surgery, and your no-fault was only 15,000? Well, if you had a police report made out, it's going to show that room for argument. I'm not at fault, despite what my insurance company is saying because of X, X, and that. So, what are the things that are contained in the police report? First, is going to have your name and the other party's name. That would be the person that hit you or the person that your vehicle came into contact with. That's important. It's going to have the insurance company's name, although it's going to be in a code. Each insurance company has a code. It's a number that we kind of know when we see because we deal with that every day. So State Farm versus Geico versus Progressive versus USAA, all of them have different codes. Um, and then it's going to have the location, like I stated. It's going to, whether it was an incline, decline. It's going to say whether it was a rainy day. It's going to say whether it was in a bridge, not in a bridge. And then the most important thing is going to have statements of yourself and the other driver. It's immediate soon after the accident. So 99% of the time, uh, that's going to be more trustworthy because the police doesn't have anything to lie about. And you say that soon as um, the accident happened. That's going to serve better than something you go back home and write about uh, 2, 3 days later after you've calmed down. Uh, People say, well, why didn't you call the police? The police is supposed to come there, respond to the accident, write what happened. So I'm just saying that uh, the police report has so much weight for any potential case or claim uh, that you might have. Uh, and My advice, I see this a lot of time. I mean, this is what I do every day, in and out. This is like the only cases we do. We don't do any other cases. People agree, person that hit you is so nice. They've agreed to pay for it. And you're like, I don't want to get them in trouble. I don't want their premiums to go up. But guess what? As soon as they also submit a claim that to get the uh, vehicle damaged, uh, the insurance company offers them a lawyer. Uh, since there wasn't a police, this is what they're gonna forget everything that you guys agreed on. All of a sudden, they don't remember saying anything that you claimed they told you. They claimed they were gonna fix the car. They claimed it was their fault, but there was no police to take down uh, the report. So it's your words against theirs. Why are they gonna 1 year later? Why are they gonna say that? Oh, it was my fault, and this, and that. So I'm just saying, um, you call the police, you might have to wait 10 minutes, 5 minutes, sometimes an hour, but it's worth it. That's one part of your case that you never have to worry about anymore. Uh, you call, the police comes, you say what happened. Uh, they'll always ask you if you need an ambulance. They're gonna write down what you told them. Another thing is gonna show the condition of the vehicle. The police have to mark down whether the vehicle was towed or whatever damages they saw on the vehicle. If your bumper fell off or something, they have to write down this. So damages and parts of it was um, on the ground. Another thing that's very important, a lot of people get into small fender benders and the other driver takes off, runaway driver. So people are like, nobody's gonna believe me. Why do I need to call it? I don't see any damages. 100% of the time, you have to call the police, get a police report, remain at the scene. If you can remember anything about the vehicle, it's gonna be immediate. Your memory is best there. You're gonna describe it, and the police is gonna come there, say the location, and importantly, they're gonna say the other on the police report. They're gonna say the other vehicle fleet. So in New York and New Jersey, this good for you because like in New Jersey, if that's the case, then we have a different alternative as far as uninsured motor vehicle is going to be anybody that runs away. If we do all our investigative stuff and we still can't find them, look at the camera on the street. Um, Maybe you described or you saw, you can remember the license plate. We do a DMV search for that. But if we all fail and we can't find the vehicle, you still qualify for uh, what's called a PIP insurance under New Jersey, and in New York, it's going to be your uninsured motor claim within your insurance. So, uh, I've been rambling on, but you can see how crucial um, the beginning of your case is. If you just wait that 5 to 6, 7, 10 minutes, maybe 30 minutes for the police to arrive and write one simple paper down, and rest assured, there's one aspect of it that you've on your evidence that you've had down. There's another alternative if you're in a situation where you can't get a police report. Uh, I'm gonna have it on my website. This was your own uh, made out police report. I advise that you do it the same day of the accident if you can. I'm not saying that if you need to go to a hospital, you have to worry about this. So long as you call 911, if you can't wait because it's taking too long and you need to go to a hospital, that's perfectly fine. But this was called NV104. That's a self-made out police report. You do it on your own, just write a statement, and then you're gonna submit it to the police. Another thing is, if you had to go to the hospital, you can call the police at the hospital. That's gonna even help you some more because the police is gonna write down that based on what you told them, you're involved in an accident. However, you needed medical attention, and they met you at the hospital. So that just proves your case. Um, Again, thanks for taking your time listening to me. I know insurance is not the most sexiest subject, but everybody drives and everybody get injured. Not through their fault, but somebody else. So I hope you like my channel. I'm gonna continue to do more subjects pertaining to what you need to do just to protect yourself and your family. If you like the channel, please click like. If you think this is a very interesting subject for you and might help you in the future, so you know what to do if you're ever involved in an accident, whether or not, I know I live in New York and I don't drive, but you get injured the same. We cross so many streets. We take Uber, we take taxis. You ride a bicycle. So if you feel this channel can help you, please subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.